Hello, this is Genocide back for another video. I have a few things to knock off first. One, I'm using the AG Genocide account because the Density Gen account has been reported for inappropriate use of communications. I think that's what it said. I'm not sure why, because I don't talk to anyone in public, I only talk to people on my friends list, and if that is like a maximum of 5 or 8 people I talk to. And I get my communications thingies back on the 7th of next month, so I'll be back to using that account then. So all in all, it'd be great. And this is a new type of video as well. This is called Getting a Penta, just because I got a Pentakill for the first time and I wasn't bloody recording. Yeah, so fun. So I'm going to keep recording games like this till I hit a Penta. Travis will be with me. Hopefully he plans support every fucking game. So enjoy. Yeah, Deathbringer. So it's a really odd item to buy first, isn't it?
Well, I go for breastplate first.
It ain't too bad, like it still gives you some defense. Like even halfway there, I get like Jackal when I get 2/3 of Deathbringer.
What do I get? I get 13 magical. I get 13 physical protection, 200 mana.
Question. What the fuck's going on over there? And how come you're in the middle of it?
I don't know.
One thing's annoying about this game mode.
I don't know, but I've used my meditation already. Well, there's a sort of thing called jumping in, taking all damage.
Fuck, I can't. I did nothing in that team fight. I need some help.
I haven't got my art.
Alright, Bellona's on it. Where's she gonna land? Oh. Wow, I'm dead.
I've got no cooldown.
I shouldn't have done that. That was a dumb move on my behalf.
It took all 4 of them to kill me early game.
Yo, you are having an exciting 3-on-1 over here. Whose is that? Is that ours or theirs? It's ours. Treble. Where's the base? Oh fuck, I can't come in and help. This. Ow.
I couldn't do anything, man.
No,
I couldn't
I'm
get
not
out.
Dead. Not legit. I'm about to be there. Fuck me. At least I got the kill, I guess. Nope. 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 Fuck you all. Never mind, I wanted that kill, but too fucking bad. I'm dead.
Ah, the dodge!
But you would get fucking wrecked.
I'm going on you, I'm going in on you. Get close, get close.
I'm trying to, but they're all pretty far away. It's my kill. It's my kill. It's my. No, it's not my kill.
I can't get in there.
Dead.
I can't get in there. I can't get in there.
She brought me to so low health I can't use any of my abilities.
30 seconds.
Did I just get double kill? Fuck yeah, I did. Do you want to go in? I'm feeling.
I need to.
I feel like I could rack him.
Get help.
Well, I did a lot of damage. I can just say that. Not much else.
I've got you back. I've got you back. I've got you. I've got you. I've got you.
It's not me that needs it. It's Bellona.
Where's Bellona?
She's just gone back in. She's just gone back. Fuck.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm here with you.
I don't have my. Where's my 3? Where's my 3? There we go.
Killing spree. Double kill.
Oh, that timing though.
Yeah, I'm dead if I don't move. Shit. Okay, I'm out. Is it you getting fucked?
Nah, man, this is good.
You're enjoying the beating. So dead.
An ally has
Go! Go team! I put... They're half health, some of them.
Some of them, all of them. I'm out. I couldn't get Odin. I tried. Thank you for boosting away already. I love it.
Teammates needed our help.
Well, I need a penta. I'm dead. I had no choice about that. I'm kind of terrified right now.
I have my ult,
Do you wanna drop in and say hello?
Yeah, I'm dropping in now. You're close to people.
I'm close to people. That was perfect, thank you. Alright, Nisa, let's go for it. Nisa's vanished, let's get this bitch. Never mind, I'm not allowed. Damn it.
I don't have my taunt, I don't have my
I missed
taunt.
a perfectly good kill.
Free. Okay, here's the fun.
Fuck you, bitch.
Use my meds. Get that. Nah, do that.
What was that?
I'm getting the fuck out of there. I should be back in
Yep,
a
I have my ult
second.
in 4 seconds, so we can do that little combo thing we have.
Yeah. I'm coming in on you now.
It's probably a good idea, because I'm about to die.
Killing. Double kill.
Triple kill.
An enemy has been slain.
What? I didn't get the
No, I
triple
got
kill?
Portal.
Oh, I got a kill.
Oh, fuck you.
Sorry.
Oh, Kwong's coming in against. Oh, there he is.
Rampage.
Alright.
Next,
Nisa.
next,
Nisa.
is Naja,
Let's
Naja.
take all the easy ones. Next one.
I can't get in there, I can't
Yeah,
get in there, I
there
can't get
goes
in there.
my my fucking thing. There goes my penna. Oh hey, Kwong.
Broken.
I can't right now. I'm facing.
For Odinson.
Anyone will do.
Double kill.
Alright, where's there? She's all in distance of it. I pressed the wrong thing.
No, the back. The back. Oh.
I can't get him on the route. Oh, they got me penna.
I thought you surely got 5 kills in that.
I didn't. I only got a triple. Or a double from there. And it's not 5 in succession. Well, it is, but it's 5 in quick succession and without anyone splitting the feed. So if someone on our team dies, it's ruined.
An enemy has been slain.
Damn it. I was really relying on that.
Double kill.
Damn it. I couldn't quite get up to her. When I get engaged into a combat, I get really close to my screen as well.
I got you. I just took all damage from Naja.
Never mind.
Rampage.
It was stolen anyway. I'm dead. Maybe not. It's got my health back. Fuck you, you shouldn't have come to combat. Yeah. Oh.
I think I need to get out. Just a little bit.
Ah, missed. Could have got another kill. I'm dead. I stayed in there a bit too long.
Come at me, bitches!
Has been slain. Killing spree.
Okay.
Thanks. An enemy has been slain.
872 crit.
I didn't even get full build.
Neither did I was one off. I was a third off.
Right, I'm